everybody, Cricket here with another sticker haul. This one is from Love2Plan92 or excuse me, Love2Plan92, not Love. So make sure that I'm telling you that right. And look at this witchy Halloween. And there is the email in the Instagram, so you will know. This came with this set. It's called Witchy Halloween. And here are your full boxes. Look at that. I love it. Your headers in little things, quarter boxes and flags. Your half boxes, your day covers. Your habit trackers and build-dos. Your glitter headers, beautiful glitter headers. Your sidebar, another full box. Heart check flags, both big and small. Your full heart check boxes. Your bottom washi. Some deco. Some spooky, oh I love that, spooky weekend, I love that. And then some functionals. And that is Witchy Halloween. Love that. That is adorable. This one is Candy Season. And here are your full boxes. Your half boxes and your headers with some heart check flags. Your bottom washi and day covers with some more heart check flags. And then some glitter headers add on. Isn't those beautiful? Gorgeous. Candy Season. Then, of course, everybody knows I love coffee, so I got Coffee Shop. And here are your full boxes. Your half boxes and headers and heart check flags. Your bottom washi, more heart check flags and day covers. And then here are your glitter headers. Aren't those beautiful? Pretty. Lovely. And then last but not least, this is called Lazy Day. And here are your full boxes. Your half boxes, day covers, habit trackers, and build-dos. Your headers with little things, flags, and 2 quarter boxes. Your washi, your heart check box, or your heart check flags, small and large, and you got a full box and sidebar Monday through Sunday. Full heart check boxes. And then look at this bottom washi. I'm in love. I love it. And then it says Hello Weekend, some scripts and functionals and your movie marquee. And then back to the full boxes. Again, this is Lazy Day, Coffee Shop, Candy Season, and then Witchy Halloween. So go check out Love2Plan92 and get you some of these goodies. They're awesome. They're beautiful. And I hope to see you back here soon. Check out PlannerNina_Cricket on Facebook and Instagram. And check out all my sticker hauls, my Plan With Me's, and I will catch you soon. Bye-bye.